everyone, thanks for watching. Welcome back to Next Generation. My name is Jen and today we will be starting a new series on my channel called Transform This Room. So I basically have a corner of this room that I don't really use, so I wanted to start transforming it into different themed rooms. So I really just wanted to push my creativity and just do different themes. I wanted to give you guys some ideas, some inspiration, as well as DIYs that go with the themed room and inexpensive ways to decorate it. So the first video for the series is going to be this chic Chanel couture glamorous style room. I wanted to play with blacks and whites but have it be a girly theme. I absolutely love decorating with black and white. That's kind of how my home already is. So I wanted to kind of stay in my comfort zone for this first episode. And of course, each episode of this series will include a DIY that complements the room theme that we're doing for that episode. And if you have any ideas of your own that you would like to see in this series, please leave it down below in the comment section and let's get started. So this is how the corner looks before. There's lots of holes in the wall for me hanging different things up. This is basically what I like to call a clutter corner. So this is just where I would clutter things up and it would get all messy and dusty. So now that there is a purpose for it, it should stay nice and clean. I'm starting off with painting the corner of this room. So I'm going to first start off with white paint. Once the white paint dried, I wanted one side to be an accent wall. I feel like black and white is super glamorous, so that's why I ended up choosing these colors, because what better way to have a Chanel chic room than with a beautiful glamorous black and white striped wall. So using some painter's tape, I am first going to measure out the size stripes that I want. I ended up doing them 10 inches. Since the white is already there, all we have to do is paint the black stripes, take the tape off so that it doesn't dry onto the paint. While the walls dry, I'm going to do a quick DIY. All you will need is a project panel, and I went ahead and painted it white with the leftover paint. Then I'm just adding a black border around it. Since the wall I'm putting it on is going to have the perfect straight lines, I wanted this to be kind of a messier abstract style art. So I'm just going to freehand a frame right around it with the leftover black paint. If you want this to be perfect lines, then I recommend using painter's tape, but like I mentioned, I want this to be more of an abstract style. I just printed out a photo of a Chanel bottle and I'm going to cut that out and Mod Podge it onto the panel. Since I'm going for more of a girly style room, I wanted to add a pop of color as well as some glitter on this DIY. So I'm going to add some pink glitter all on the Mod Podge and let that dry. Once it is dried, I'm going to pour the glitter onto a sheet of paper. That way we can save the leftover glitter. And so that the glitter does not fall off and everything looks nice and shiny, I'm going to add another coat of Mod Podge right on top and let everything completely dry and hang it up on the wall. Next up, I'm gonna add a bench so that we have some seating in here. And this bench is super chic. It's black and it has rhinestones right on the top. And this bench is a DIY on my channel, so I definitely recommend checking it out if you are interested in recreating it. I'll have the link down below for you guys. And to give it a nice chic finish, I'm going to add a faux fur throw right on top of the bench. Now I'm just adding some of the last touches. So I did add a little shelving unit and some pretty pieces right on top. Of course, we have our Chanel book so that it continues with our Chanel theme. And what chic room does not have a beautiful mirror in it? So of course we have to add that as well. And since one wall is an accent painted wall, I did want to add some texture on the other side, so I am going to add a nice crisp white curtain, and that is really going to complete and pull together the entire room. Now that I'm finished, I'm so excited to show you guys how it ended up coming out. So just a little reminder, this is how it looked before, and this is how it ended up coming out. I love how glamorous and classy it looks. As you can see, I really stuck with the black and white theme and just added a few pops of pink so that it can give it a little bit of color. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration and ideas. Everything that I showed in this video will be listed down below if you are interested. I hope you guys enjoy this idea of this new series on my channel. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you guys like it. Also subscribe if you're not already, and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post and you don't miss a video. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.